So for this week, we're gonna make a tomato lentil stew, just some pantry staples. That's usually how I cook anyway. See what I have available. Let's see how we do it.
So, of course, it's going to start with chopping up some aromatics. In this case, I got some onions, peppers, and some garlic. All we're really going to do is mince them up, cut them into small bite-sized pieces. That's all we need to do. Nothing too crazy. Then I'm going to chop up my turkey breast. So this is roasted turkey breast from Kirkland or Costco. Honestly, very good purchase. All things considering, it's not that expensive for cooked turkey breast. Macros are very friendly. It's pretty much just lean turkey meat. It's also very juicy, surprisingly. But hey, goes well in a lot of dishes, and this is one of them. It'll add the extra protein needed. Alright, so we're gonna get our pot hot. I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken fat. I had leftover. I use this up, then use oil at first. Then we're gonna add in all our aromatics. Saute everything with some salt. And since we're using lentils for this stew, I thought, why not add a little bit of curry powder to spice it up a bit. Stir everything together and saute until translucent. Add in your garlic, give that a good saute for a minute or until fragrant. Add in your soaked lentils, give everything one good mix, and then add in your crushed canned tomatoes. Once again, stir everything, and then we're going to bring this up to a simmer and let this cook and simmer away until the lentils are nice and soft. Once it's soft, I then add some Greek yogurt with some water so it's easier to mix. Add into the stew. It's gonna brighten it up even more with the acidity and, extra protein, of course. This is my substitute to the heavy cream. Less calories as well. I also put in some green peas for extra vegetables and fiber. The green contrasts with the red very nicely too. And a little bit of Maggi seasoning for extra umami. Once everything is nice and incorporated and cooked through, we're going to add in our turkey last because this is already cooked. We don't want to overcook this and make it more dry. Add it in, give everything a good stir, and then we're ready to serve. Scoop some into a bowl. I garnish it with some Parmesan cheese on top, and there you go. Pretty simple stew made out of the pantry staples that I have in my kitchen. If you get a chance, give it a try. Kind of reminds me of a chili a bit. Instead of beans, you have the lentils. I would say it's quite healthy as well, macro-wise, so give it a shot. Hey everyone, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram at weekendcooks. Thanks for the support.